Hello YouTube. I'm fixing this broken kitchen door in the RV. Both sides were off. I'm just going to do the one side on the video here so you can see what I'm doing. I've already put 2 screws in this side, and now I'm going to put 2 screws in this side after I drilled some tiny holes smaller than the screw that is going to go in there. So alright, here we go, zippity zip, and this side will be done. And it's and there you have it. One side is finished. And all we need to do is finish the other side, and this drawer is good as new. Actually better than new, because this was only put together with these flimsy little staples. And now it's put together with some decent screws. So I have to straighten out these staples and then put it back together the way it was, and then drill holes and put the screws in. And that's how you fix a drawer in an RV. There you have it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.